Haley Cooprider, the Elementary Literacy Coordinator for Wight County Schools, back with another Coop's Quick Clips. Like we mentioned in another clip, part of the VLA, or Virginia Literacy Act, is requiring the use of an approved screener. Screeners are assessments designed to identify students who may be at risk for reading difficulty. Currently, we use VALS for our screener for K through 3, and it is given 3 times a year: fall, mid-year, and spring. VALS is the new PALS, you may have heard of PALS, and a change from this year from years past is that there is no more above or below benchmark. Students on VALS will now be identified as high risk, moderate risk, or low risk for reading difficulty. The VDOE, in partnership with UVA, is also working on a VALS screener for 4th through 5th grade, and we should see it in the next couple of years. Another VDOE reading assessment you may be familiar with is the SOL test that is given to students in grades 3 through 5 towards the end of the year to assess grade level standards. Finally, VDOE requires students in 5th grade to take the Integrated Reading and Writing, or IRW test, which has students connect what they are reading to writing by having them write to a prompt based on the text that they read. This occurs during the spring. Both the SOL test and the Integrated Reading and Writing test in 5th grade are what we call summative assessments because they assess what has been taught during the year to gauge learning growth. For each assessment, you should receive a report outlining your students' progress. For more information about these assessments and when they are occurring, please read your school's newsletters, talk to your building's reading coach, or talk to your child's teacher. As always, I'm a resource as well. Thanks for watching, and keep on reading.